I have crippling depression.
This is a certified hood classic.
3, 2, 1, go!
Run away! Run away!
Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
I just snorted a suitcase full of coke, and I'm starting to feel the effects.
Say shit, if this gonna be that kind of party, I'm gonna stick my dick in the mashed potatoes.
What the dog doing?
I can smell you.
This is the kind of thing that just tickles my balls.
Excuse me while I whip this out.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
God damn! You got knocked the fuck out, man!
Don't you dare laugh.
Your mother was a hamster, and your father smelt of elderberries.
Bye, have a great time.